Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're going to see about business and finance encompass. Business and finance encompass the management, creation, and study of money, investments, and other financial instruments. Key aspects include number one, financial management involves planning, organizing, directing, and controlling financial activities such as procurement and utilization of funds. It includes managing budgets, forecasting, and investing. Number two, corporate finance focuses on how corporations handle funding sources, capital structuring, and investment decisions. Key activities include mergers and acquisitions, divided policy, and managing corporate resources. Number three, investment pertains to the allocation of funds into assets with the expectation of generating returns. This includes stocks, bonds, real estate, and other investment vehicles. It also covers portfolio management and risk assessment. Number four, financial markets places where financial securities, commodities, and other fungible items are traded. Examples include stock exchanges, bond marketing, and derivative markets. Number five, accounting, the systemic process of recording, analyzing, and reporting financial transactions. It provides insight into the financial health of an organism through financial statements like a balance sheet, income statements, and cash flow statements. Number six, personal finance management of individual household finance. This includes budgeting, saving, investing, retirement planning, and managing debt. Number seven, banking involves institutions that provides financial service including deposits, loan, and investment products. Banks play a critical role in the economy by facilitating money flow and credit availability. Number eight, economics, the study of how individual business and governments allocate resources. Microeconomics focus on individual markets and actors, while macroeconomics look at the economy as a whole, including issues like inflation, unemployment, and fiscal policy. Number nine, risk management, identifying, assessing, and prioritizing risk, followed by coordinated efforts to minimize, monitor, and control the impact of unfortunate events. Number 10, entrepreneurship and startups involves creating and managing new business ventures. Key aspects include business planning, financing, marketing, and growth strategies. Understanding these components is essential for making informed decisions in both personal and professional financial contexts. Thanks for watching the video. If you like my video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Meet you with more informative video.